Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
Welcome to griffsreaction. I got another, well, it's not a request, it's one of the people I listen to every now and then that I don't think anybody's heard of. Some of them, some people have, some people haven't. If you guys haven't heard of Stitches, you need to check him out. He's actually a hell of a rapper, and this video I'm getting ready to do is called Kill Switch. So I haven't seen this one at all yet, or heard of it. Honestly, it came out like so many months ago, so we're gonna check him out. This is my first reaction on Stitches. So if you guys want any more after this, write in the comment box, let me know. And the songs that I do listen to of him, I'll do reactions to later on down the road, but I haven't heard this one or see this one, so let's find out what this one's all about. Called Stitches Kill Switch. So let's get into it.
Lately I've been feeling so homicidal, feeling like I can't trust a soul. I guess I gotta be an animal. I guess I gotta be an animal. Say you want the static, but I don't believe it. I'm a drug lord, I'm mailing bricks and you receive it. Oh, this is my lifestyle, but I don't really live that life now. Feeling paranoid every time I'm selling dope. I don't feel like I'm living life, but I'm loyal to coke. This rap shit bring a lot of fake shit. I think I'd rather go back to selling straight bricks. All the streets brings problems in that jail time. I put my heart in every fucking damn rhyme. I don't even know what I feel. Sometimes I wake up feeling like is all this shit real? I feel like I'm just getting colder every day. I feel like all my family members are fading away. Damn. How the fuck my life turned to this? Damn. How the fuck these pussy boys switch? I don't trust nobody. I don't even.
Oh, that shit's hit hard, that's for sure. Came straight out right off the top. But hey. Yeah. Kill Switch, guys. And Stitches. You guys need to check him out.
Trust my own self, buddy. And it's my lifestyle. I don't feel like I'm living life now. Sometimes I feel like I'm a fucking demon, but I just pray to God make this pussy demon leave me. In my own house, I'm seeing spirits. I don't sleep no more. I think he trying to kill me. Maybe it's my karma that keep chasing me. All this bad shit that happened, they keep changing me. Yeah. Is it good or is it bad? Is it real? Is it fake? Is it making me sad? Depression hurts and I know what it feel like. I got a spirit telling me to take my own life. But I ain't fucking weak, dog. What the fuck I expect? This is the street, dog. Who really gonna be there for you? Who really go to war for you? Who with you if you got zero? If you paralyzed, who gon' be there for you? I'll be here. Tell me who gon' wipe your ass. Tell me who gon' be there with you at war when they blast. If you take a bullet, dog, now you can't move your body. Everything changed in a second. I don't trust nobody. I put my life on the line for the shit. I put my life on the line for the brick. I put my life on the line for my kids. I put my life on the line with my stick. Every time I pull a trigger, got your name up on a bullet. I love seeing blood fall down my enemy's body. Lately I've been feeling so homicidal. Everybody get it, bullet hole. Feeling like I can't trust a soul. I guess I gotta be an animal. Just let me out the motherfucking car. Kill him. Ain't no memory left in my mind. I don't remember shit. Why? Cause if I'm sitting in that casket, it ain't your kids or your mama that'll cry. Everybody hard till they die. I heard that so homicidal. Feeling like I can't trust a soul. I guess I gotta be an animal.
All right. Hold on one second. Shut up! Fucking people. Why that's on here? I do not want to see that. And I'm gonna win this right here. You want any more stitches? Let me know. Because my stupid computer is being a pain in the fucking ass. But yeah. If you want to hear more stitches, let me know in the comment bottom. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And I'm going to punch my dog in his forehead because he's pissing me the fuck off. But yeah. Right now, Griff's gone.